we will synchronize again.
Werner has given permission.
And next year we will continue this in January with 16 teams actually.
All of the signed documents in one place that you know where they are anyway, so...
Just cows.
It looks like cows.
And calves, you know.
Yes.
But anyway, I think it will.
After that you have the soup.
If you have some issues, that means you have a... What 2009 zombie comedy stars Woody Harrelson, Jesse Eisenberg, Emma Stone and Abigail Breslin?
Sunderland.
Is this possible?
Yes.
Like the same number.
Ah, the same number. Yes. Once the first string.
We can walk, but then we have to take some. Yeah. So that's it's challenge.
No, that makes it part of the challenge.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyway.
Who's buying?
Yes.
Yes, maybe.
And then with the
Let me put it like this.
ground.
So
Who played the character of Tony Stark?
what?
More gentle.
Question 9. Which Roddy Doyle movie was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Makeup?
None.
Okay.
And over of these datasets. Blurred, everything that's blurred. But you know, every few months it's again off.
I was reading yesterday. Why change the book?
Not working, right?
No, it's another.
Yes,
we do.
yes.
I think we have fresh tomato, right?
You want the entire tomato, or you want, or you mess up everything?
What type of battery is coming?
Zimtstern. Stinstern. Zimtstern. Zimtstern.
Yes.
Tree.
Wrong.
Oh.
Anybody else want to guess?
No.
It says radiator and something.
Okay, that's it.
Are you ready? Of course you're ready. You're a rock star.